Good morning, everyone. My name is Lester M. Gallardo, a student taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English at the ISPSC Tagudin campus, and I will be sharing my speech regarding gender equality. Gender equality is a fundamental human right that ensures individuals of all genders have equal opportunities, rights, and responsibilities. Despite progress, gender inequality remains a pervasive issue worldwide, affecting various aspects of life, including education, employment, healthcare, and politics. This essay, or my speech, aims to provide an informative overview of gender equality, its importance, challenges, and the steps needed to achieve a more equitable society. Gender equality is about recognizing and valuing the differences between genders while ensuring that both men, women, and the third gender community have equal opportunities and rights. It involves addressing the social, economic, and cultural barriers that prevent individuals from reaching their full potential based on their gender. Gender equality is not about making women or men equal or vice versa. It's about fairness and justice for all genders. Gender equality can boost economic growth by utilizing the full potential of the workforce, leading to increased productivity and innovation. Gender equality is linked to better health and education outcomes. Educated women are more likely to have healthier families and contribute to well-being of their communities. Gender equality promotes social justice by ensuring that all individuals, regardless of gender, have equal rights and opportunities. Achieving gender equality is crucial for sustainable development. It helps in reducing poverty and promoting peace and stability. Gender stereotypes and discrimination continue to limit opportunities of the third sex community and women and girls, particularly in male-dominated fields. Gender-based violence remains a significant barrier to gender equality, affecting women's physical and mental health. Women often face unequal pay for equal work and limited opportunities for career advancement. Women are underrepresented and also with the third gender in leadership positions and decision-making roles, both in public and private sectors. Gender equality is not just the women or the third gender community's problem or issue. It is more likely a human issue that requires the collective effort of individuals, communities, and governments. By understanding the importance of gender equality and working together to address the challenges, we can create a fairer and more just society for all. Achieving gender equality will not only benefit women or the third gender community, but also men, children, and the society as a whole, leading to a more prosperous and sustainable future.